Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix CapCut. Too many people are using the future now. Try again later problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. First of all, you go to setting and scroll down, tap on apps and search here CapCut. Tap on CapCut, scroll down and tap on storage, and you tap on clear data and delete all data. Okay, go back, tap on permission, tap on camera, tap on allow only while using the app, tap on allow, tap on allow notification, tap on allow, always allow all. Okay, go back to your home screen and go to your Play Store app and search here, tap on CapCut. Your CapCut apps is already updated. Okay, go back to your home. Tap on power button. Now restart your phone and your problem solved successfully. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.